afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. May I request everybody to please stand for a prayer? So, let's pray. Heavenly Father, thank you, Lord, for this wonderful rainy afternoon, O God. Thank you so much, O God, for this afternoon, O God, and give us knowledge, O God, for us to be able to understand our topic for this afternoon. This we pray in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Amen.
Praise God. So now, I will check your attendance. Lovejoy, Blue, Blue,
Present, sir.
and lastly, Bebe.
Sir, present.
I think everyone are all present. So before I will start our discussion, let's recall first the past lesson. So anyone who can tell me what is our past lesson? Luke.
Our past lesson yesterday is all about texture.
Thank you. That's right. Our past lesson was texture. So now, let's proceed to the last elements of arts. So, this element of art, this regards with darkness and lightness of color. So, anyone who can guess what is our topic for this afternoon? A7.
I think it's value.
Yeah, that's right. Our topic for this afternoon is about value. So, what do you mean by value? So, I have here announced. Value, this is the amount of shade or light present on the surface of an object. It is also the state of lightness and darkness on the surface, depending on the intensity of the source of light that hits the surface. So, meaning, value is between darkness and lightness. So, as you can see, from this board, from this part, this darker. Unlike this part is lighter. So, meaning that is a value of a color. So, that is value. So now, let's proceed to value scale. Value scale is divided into 9 shades. So, we have here white, high light, light, low light, medium, scale, low dark, and black. So that's our value scales. And let's proceed to psychological effects of value. So psychological effects of value. First one, dark value. So what is dark value? Dark value, this suggests the feeling of quietness and dignity. It may indicate foreground or nearness. Dark value seems to decrease the size of objects. The second one is light. Light value, this suggests lightness and informality. It may mean background and distance. Light surface seems to increase the size of the object. So dark value, the light is decreasing. Unlike in this type of value light, the value of light is increasing. So next is closely related. Closely related value, this suggests quietness and rest. They seem to blend into one common value. And the next one is contrasting value. So this suggests decision. Two opposite value put together side by side seem to emphasize each other and come out with a special identity. And the last psychological effects is adjacent value. So this value may either appear dark in a light background or light in a dark background. They seem to offset each other. So this is called superposed value. I have here an example of an art which will surely describe the value of color. So as you can see, I have here flower. So from this part, this part is lighter than this part. So as you can see, we can say that this drawing has its value of color since this part is lighter than this part. So that's value. So now let's have a practical, or rather a quiz. So kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper, or any paper will do. So let's start. Number 1. What is value? And number 2, what is value scale? Number 3, what are the 9 shades of a value scale? And the last part, what are psychological effects of value? I think everybody is done. So pass your paper on the front. Finish. Thank you. Before I will dismiss our class, I will give you an assignment. So at home, just draw any art and apply value, the dark and light value. So in a short bond paper. So that's all for this afternoon, and thank you. Bye, class.
Bye, sir.